Good morning and welcome back, everyone. Adam here, Kinion Classic Cars, Clarence, Iowa. This afternoon we are doing a walk-around startup and a drive video for you on a 1970 Ford Mustang Mach 1. This beautiful grabber blue Mach 1 has been completely restored. Beautiful car inside and out. 351 Cleveland V8 engine under the hood. Automatic transmission. It's equipped with power steering, power brakes. It does have vintage air conditioning on it. Beautiful car. It was a rotisserie restoration when the car was completed. The gentleman who traded it in, it was estimated it was probably restored around 5 years ago. I looked this car over really close, and as far as I can tell, it has original quarter panels on it. The doors, the fenders, all the body panels on this car are very, very nice. There's no signs of any bubbling or blistering anywhere on this car. The paint is gorgeous. It's very straight. The body lines are very nice. You can see how nice the doors, fenders, trunk, hood, everything lines up very nice on it. The chrome bumpers are in great shape. The stainless trim, the taillights, all very, very nice. Very high quality car. Got the rear spoiler. It's got the rear window louvers on it. Beautiful white interior in this car. Bucket seats, factory console. Magnum 500 wheels, BF Goodrich radial TA, raised white letter tires. It's got the factory hood locks on it. I got a nice board over there with the Marty report and all the paperwork for the car. Aluminum 351 Cleveland valve covers, aluminum intake, Holley carburetor. Very nicely done underneath the hood as well. So the front bumper's no different. Front bumper's great shape. Gentleman bought this car over at the Volo Auto Museum. He paid $129,000, I think, for this car. We're not going to price the car at $129,000, but it is a very, very nice car. It's like I flipped that back seat down. Needed to vacuum that. Fold down rear seat. Interior, like I say, is absolutely gorgeous. The carpet, the seat covers, the dash pad, the console, the wooden steering wheel. Check out the jambs. Just very, very nice car. I'm gonna price this car at $89,900. Yes, it was sold for $115 or $125, something like that, but very, very high quality car, but that's what we're pricing it at, $89,900. I think that's a great price for this car. No way possible could you ever try to duplicate this car for that price. Inside the trunk's very nice as well. Nice matte. And like I say, the quarter panels, I had my head all the way up in there, the flashlight looking it all over. Everything looks nice, just like it should. The back panel seems to be all original. Dual exhaust. Car runs great, sounds great. Same way with this side. Seats in great shape. The jambs. This is quality. Very, very high quality car. Odometer says 55,423 miles. Darn fly landed on me. I'm gonna left turn, right turn. Motor sounds great. Stereo works. AC works. Dash lights. Tap. back, all the gauges, horn works, wipers. Cigarette lighter works. Even the clock works. Just an absolute beautiful Mach 1. Probably one of my favorite colors, grabber blue. License plate light, tail lights, turn signals, flashers. It's got Willwood brakes on it. Willwood calipers on the front. They're power disc brakes, obviously. Turn them running lights on. It's got upgraded headlights in it as well. Try them sport lamps. What a gorgeous car. I don't see the sport lamps on yet. Have to see what's going on with those, but we'll take her out for a spin. The air conditioning's ice cold. See the compressor running. Hood lock's locked. See how nice the paint is. It looks great all the way around, up and down both sides. Get it down the road there, I'll stop and do a walk around with you so you can see the car outside in the daylight. That air conditioning is ice cold. I don't really need that on right now. There we go. Flip that baby off. I like air conditioning, but don't necessarily need to blowing right in my face right now. Got a little bit of a headache. Probably need to drink a little bit more water. Probably haven't been hydrated enough today. Whoever gets this car for $89,900 is going to be lucky. I probably should have priced this car at $99,900, but it's alright. Keep them rolling. Drives great. Drive the car down the road with 2 fingers. No shaking or vibrating or anything like that. Brakes work excellent. Straight line. I don't even have my hands on the wheel right now. Keeps right in a straight line when you're braking. I don't really know what this guy's doing out here. He's been out here all day. Taking a break. Gorgeous grabber blue 70 Mach 1. Provenance, Iowa, 563-452-2450. Just look how nice the paint is. Just absolutely beautiful. Driving car. Give us a call again, 563-452-2450, KinionAuto.com. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel if you have not already. Beautiful 70 Mach 1, grabber blue, beautiful white interior. It doesn't get much better, folks. Thanks for watching. Have a great afternoon. We'll talk to you soon.